Today, I am making stuffed vine leaves with meat, a dish loved by everyone from the Ottoman palace cuisine to the humble tables of Anatolia. I've soaked the brined vine leaves in hot water. This will help them release some of their salt. And while they're soaking, we'll prepare the filling. I'm adding grated onion to the ground beef, then pepper paste, tomato paste, and the tomatoes I processed. Now we're adding the spices: salt, black pepper, red pepper flakes, dried mint, and sumac. After adding a little olive oil, I'll start kneading the mixture. I'm adding the rice on top. I'm using baldo rice. If you wish, you can also use Osmançık rice. I soaked the rice in plenty of water for about 20 minutes. This helps the rice stay fluffy and separate inside the sarma. Let's move on to the most enjoyable yet careful stage. First, we take our grape leaf, and if it has a stem, we carefully remove that part. I place the leaf on the plate with the veined side facing me. We will add the filling carefully, as putting too much will cause it to burst and lose its shape while cooking. We need to be as consistent as possible. I'm folding the edges inwards, and then I start to roll. We need to roll it tightly, but not too much. If it turns out to be too loose, its shape will be ruined. If we roll it too tightly, then it's going to burst. Our stuffed vine leaves are now completely ready. We're going to arrange them in the pot, but before that, we need to place some leaves at the bottom of the pot so our rolls don't stick. If you prefer, you could also add a potato or onion slices, but I'm quickly layering the leaves at the bottom of the pot. I'm arranging the rolls tightly in the pot. We arranged the sarma neatly. Now, I'm quickly preparing a sauce to pour over them. Water, tomato paste, oil, sumac, and a little salt. I quickly mix it, pour it over, and a key tip to keep the sarma from opening up is to place a small plate on top. I close the lid. I cook it on low heat for about an hour. It's cooked so beautifully and smells absolutely wonderful. Our sarma needs to rest a little, then I will serve it. I'm adding the yogurt, the indispensable part of sarma. The most beautiful stuffed vine leaves with delicate leaves and a balanced filling. Sarma is a dish that requires patience and effort, but its flavor makes it all worth it. Enjoy your meal.